My dearest Nigerian, you all peace-loving people, you have been talking about Donald Trump. Donald Trump is this, Donald Trump is that, Donald Trump is bad, Donald Trump, is a racist and so, stop saying that. This man, Donald Trump, he is a businessman, a successful businessman that made his businessman being to be a billionaire, and somebody that could do business to be a billionaire, then you must know that he has God's support, and with God's support it means he has wisdom to do business, to be a billionaire with that, and such wisdom that this man is having to have made billions. This is not wisdom of embezzling a country's money like he's done in Nigeria. That you should take that, note it. This man has wisdom and God's support with him, and he knows exactly what he was saying, because all what he was doing and all what he was saying was just a strategy. He was preparing a battle, to fight a battle of being a president of America, and he uses every opportunity, that is everything that people would like to hear, everything that he knows that he can say, can tell people, that he can do to people to make him be that president. That was his strategy by this political campaign that he was making, saying this and that about the foreigners in America and so on and so forth, and you see, you will be surprised that you will experience something like there has never been any American president that will love or that has loved black race like this American president now, Donald Trump. This is exactly what you will be surprised of. And now, I'm not talking about only black race, because foreigner in America, this is what he uses as the strategy, as his political campaign. That is what those people that supported him, most of them wanted to hear, but he knows, as somebody with wisdom, he knows that in his hotels worldwide, it's not only American that are staying there, it's not dealing with only Americans. He did always and everywhere with the foreigner. So he dare not be so narrow-minded as you people are taking him. You people are just talking blah 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 blah. Anyway, that is what he himself wanted, so that he will see how thin-minded you are, how narrow-minded you are. You all saying that Donald Trump is racist, Donald Trump will do this to the black American and so. Stop that. Stop saying that. Maybe if you were to be him in his position, talking like that while you were making political campaign, this is what you might have done. That is what you could do. That is why you are thinking that he is coming to do that. Stop it. And I want to plead to you, the Americans, stop polluting the mind of the children, the black children in America. Stop polluting their mind against this Donald Trump, because he is going to be their president, because they are still growing. You as the parents, you better calm down from that your imagination of seeing Donald Trump as a racist. Just stop it, and tell your children, start now to tell your children, this is your president now, and after 4 or 8 years, another man or woman will be coming there. That is politics. Start to talk sense into your children. Okay? So, my dearest people, I want you to see that I am the one telling you this, saying this to you. This is why I'm saying it now on this video, and I did not write it or say just make it as as an audio for you only to be hearing my voice and not to be seeing. I am the one saying it, and I know what I'm saying. I want you to calm down. This is why I'm telling you, because I love you all. Bless you. I love you.